Children of Standard 4, we are going to study chapter 8, that is clothes we wear. Children, in this chapter, we will discuss the importance of clothes. We will relate different kinds of clothes to weather, tradition, and occupation. We will also identify different materials used for making clothes, and we will also come to know the ways to take care of clothes. So, for the introduction of this chapter, I want to tell you that in early times, when human beings lived in caves, they did not have clothes to wear. They covered themselves with leaves, barks of trees, animal skin, and fur. Later, they learned the art of weaving and stitching clothes using threads of cotton and silk. They have also used wool from sheep to make clothes that keep them warm in winter. So, children, for the introduction of this chapter, you have been given what I know, and you have to circle the clothes that Tarji will wear for the Alaska trip. And all of us know that the Alaska, most places in Alaska are covered with ice, and snowfall happens almost on a daily basis. So Tarji has to select the clothes that will suit the weather of Alaska. So by that way, we suggest Tarji to take cap, sweater, and a jacket, gloves. So, children, the question arises, why do we need clothes? Clothes are important to us, and we need clothes to cover our body. But the most important thing, why do we need clothes, is clothes protect us from dust, heat, cold, rain, and insect bite. So this shows that clothes protect us many times from dust and dirt, and for long, if we put on the same clothes for longer hours, they become dirty because the dust present in our surrounding will settle on them. So this shows that clothes protect us from dust, and when we go outside on a sunny day for a long period of time, the exposed part of our body become tanned, and sometimes we get sunburns too. So this shows that the clothes protect us from scorching heat of the sun, and during winter, when we wear thick and warm clothes, we feel comfortable. Thus, clothes protect us from excessive cold. And the third kind of our weather is the rainy days. That is, during rainy days, when we go outside, we wear raincoats, and they are made of waterproof materials. So raincoat protect us from rain. So at night, long sleeve clothes protect us from mosquito bite, and clothes therefore protect us from insect bite. So this is all about why do we need clothes. In my next video, I will talk about how are clothes made, and what are there are different two kinds of fibers I will discuss in detail.